I just saw this video where it says it has this amount of views, and the title has been 100% accurate every time I have clicked on this video, and somehow this video got viral. Currently it has like around 73 million views. I can't even think that somehow my channel can get this amount of view in total, but it will be great though. Anyway, unfortunately the guy Tom Scott didn't explain how he did it. It seems very interesting to me, that's why I decided to find out how it can be done. Today I'm gonna show you how I have achieved the same thing using YouTube Data API on this video. The first step will be we should have Google Cloud. So we're gonna type Google Cloud Console. Let's log in this platform. So it says it's free, let's try it. I'm just gonna quickly fill out this form. After filling all the details, you also need to provide the payment method. Don't worry, it's not gonna charge you anything. You just need to have, I think, $1 or €1 in your account so that it's gonna verify that the card is in use. So after filling all the details, you're just gonna click this start free. I'm just gonna simply select other, next, learn more, next, APIs, next, click done. That's it. After that we have to create a new project, or we can also choose this my first project, but I'm gonna create a new one. So I will call it as YouTube Data API. So while it's creating, we have to enable the YouTube Data API for our project. So first let's select our project and then go to all products. Here we have API and services. So we have some APIs here. I don't see YouTube Data API, so I'm gonna enable that API. Let's search YouTube Data API v3. I think that's the one. Let's enable it. So this is enabled. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create credentials. So what data will you be accessing? We're gonna say user data because I don't want it as public. Next, app name, you can just call it YouTube video. Support email, I'm gonna use my email. Logo, we don't need that. Developer contact information also will be byx.academy@gmail.com. Let's save and continue. So we need to enable this authentication client ID. So I'm gonna select application type as desktop app because I'm gonna create a Python script, and that Python script will be run in my Linux virtual machine. So that's why this is the best choice. Name, let's call it desktop client 1. Let's create. This is our credentials. We're gonna download these credentials. It's called client secret something.json. So this is done. Here's the script. It's a very simple one. It is just 65 lines of code. So we are starting to import required libraries. Then we are defining API constants. So basically the service name is YouTube, API version is v3, and the scope is Google APIs.youtube.force SSL. This force SSL provides full access to YouTube account. The next, I have one method called getAuthenticated_service. This is used for authentication and building the service. When script runs first time, you need to authenticate the service, so it will open a browser to use your credentials, and it will store the received token in this token.json file. So the next time script runs, it will not ask for credentials again. And after that, we have another method which updates the title of the specified video. And in the main function, we need to specify video ID. I'm gonna show you how to get it. Then it's gonna fetch the current view count of the video and the title accordingly. Let me show you how to get this video ID. Let's go back to our browser. I'm gonna go to this YouTube video. This is one of my videos. It says how to run bash script. Basically, here you can see that after this equal sign, we have this text. Basically, this is our video ID. Let's go back to our codes. We're gonna replace this video ID with the real one. And that's it. Basically, it's ready. To sum up, when the script runs, first it will check if there's a valid token.json file with necessary credentials. If not, it will prompt you to log in and authorize the application, and after that it will fetch the current view count of the specified video, and then it will update video's title and include view count as well. So basically all we need to is we need to run this script, but we have to decide how many times it should run. So to update video count every second, basically we need to run this script every second, right? Every API has its own limits. So let me show you. There's one article. The default quota allocation is 10,000 units per day. So we need to find out how many units our script consumes in every run. How we can do that, there is also another article. Here we can see all the methods and its cost, basically how many units they're gonna consume. So let's check our script. So we are using two methods here. Let me show you. The first one is this one, videos.list. Let's see how many units it consumes. So here is videos, and we are using the list method, so it consumes only 1 unit. Then our second method is, which one it is? I think, yeah, this one, videos.update. And here you can see that it consumes basically 50 units. So what it means that in total, in every run, the script consumes 51 units. If we want to update this video every second, so we have to multiply 24 hours by 3060 seconds. So it's gonna be 86,400 times. Basically, this is the number our script should run, and we have to multiply it by 51 units. So it's gonna be like more than 44 million, right? So basically, this is a lot. This number definitely exceeds default quota. However, I think it's possible to increase this quota size. I think it's shown here. So it says if you submit this form, you can increase the quota size, but we're not gonna do that. What I will do is I will just run the script every 10 minutes. So in 1 hour, it will run 6 times, and in a day, it will run 144 times. So we have to multiply it by 51. So in total, it is gonna consume 7,344 units, which is below than default quota. So all we need to do is add the script to the cron job to run it every 10 minutes, right? But before that, we have to run this script manually to make sure that it works. This is my Linux EC2 instance that runs on AWS. So let's just create one file. But before that, I'm gonna switch to root user, and let's go to TMP. We're gonna create our script here. So it will be YouTube API.py, and I'm gonna copy our script and paste it here. So let's do change mode plus X. So we're gonna give execute permission. Okay, it's fine. And first we need to install all the required libraries. So I'm not gonna use virtual environment. I'm just gonna use like globally. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste this command. It says pip not found. Probably it's pip3. So I'm just gonna use yum install python 3 pip. Now let's run the command one more time. Seems everything is fine. Now we can run our script. Python 3. Yes, it says this client secret.json not found. Actually, we have already downloaded that file. It's here. I'm just gonna copy. I think easiest way, we can just open this file. Just copy the content, and we're gonna create it. So it will be client secret.json. So I'm gonna say vim client secret.json. Let's paste it here. Okay, I hope everything is fine. Let's run one more time. So yeah, since this is EC2 instance, it doesn't locate any runnable browser. I'm gonna run this one in my own browser. So let's do that. So I'm gonna run it, Python YouTube API.py. Okay, the file is not here as well. So let's just create it. Copy this content one more time, paste it here. Let's run it. So it should open my browser. Yes, it's here. Let's confirm. It says access blocked. YouTube video has not completed Google verification process. Basically, this happens because this Gmail account is not owner of my YouTube channel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this account as a manager of my YouTube channel. In your YouTube studio, in the left side, there is settings. Just click on these settings, and in the permission, we're gonna invite one email. So in this case, it's baggykeys.academy. And then access, I'm gonna select as manager. Done. And let's save it. So it says to continue, we need to confirm it's really you. I'm gonna confirm it. So that's confirmed. We should get it in our email. So it says you have been invited to access channel BugX as a manager. I'm gonna accept the invitation. Now we can simply run the script one more time. We should get our browser. Yes, it's here. I'm gonna confirm it. Okay, sorry guys, I see what's the reason. It says access denied. Basically, app is currently being tested. We should allow this account. So I think in our Google Cloud here, it should be in this consent screen. Yes, there is test user. We're gonna add our account as a test user. This should resolve our problem. Let's run the script. Go to browser. Let's confirm one more time. Yeah, I think it's fine. Continue. Continue. Verification. Authentication flow has been completed. You may close this window. I think that's okay. Now it says it is forbidden. So basically it cannot access to our YouTube channel. Let's check the YouTube Studio one more time. Not YouTube Studio, but I think we have already accepted this invitation. Let's do it one more time. We should create the channel. Anyway, let's create it. Because here, as a first step, it says you need a YouTube channel to access BuggyKeys. Okay, it says it's created. Let's run our script one more time. So okay, seems it worked. It says title updated to this video has 196 views. Let's see. This was the video. Let's refresh it. It's not here anymore. Well, basically the views are correct. So we have 196 views. That's fine. But maybe it needs some time to update the title. Let's check YouTube Studio. Maybe it's there. Yes, guys, as you can see that it's right here. So the title is updated in YouTube Studio, but probably it will need some time to update on the channel. Let's check it one more time. Yes, right now it's updated. So it says this video has 196 views. But I need to add this script to cron job so that it will run every 10 minutes. Here we are in my EC2 instance. Let's go to TMP. We have only script and client secret.json file. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create this token.json. but actually we should copy the JSON file first. So we have YouTube API. I'm gonna copy this JSON file and I'm gonna paste it here. So let's see if we can run script from here successfully. So we have YouTube API. I'm gonna use Python 3. It says extra data in line 1. Which file is that? Yes, it's token.json. What's wrong with it? Yes, this person sign. Let's run it. Okay, now it works. So which Python is it? Which Python? And we are in the TMP directory, right? So ls. So we have to do cron tab e to run this script, to add this script basically to the cron job. Let's copy this pass. What I can do is I can do install cron, I guess. Yes. Now let's run cron tab e. So it works. This is our Python. Then we have tmp YouTube API.py. And also before that we should add correct cron syntax. So what I'm gonna do is so this will be $sign 10. Basically this is every 10 minutes. Yes, I guess it's like that, but we can check it actually. We can go to cron tab. I think it was cron tab guru or something, yeah. So let's check it. Let's copy this one, paste it here. It says at every 10 minutes, so it's fine. Let's save it. Let's see our cron job. Yes, it's right here. So it's gonna run every 10 minutes, and every time it's gonna fetch the current view count from the video, then it's gonna update the video title. But I also wanted to show you one small stuff. Let's see that how many quotas we just consumed. So I'm going to use quota, all quotas. It should be somewhere here. So here it says queries per day. So queries per day we have 10,000, and currently we have used 208 units of 10,000. So we are good to go. Also, it seems that there is also a limit in this query per minute, but that's fine. But I think that's it. Currently I have done it on this video, but after this recording is finished, I'm gonna do the same thing on this video as well. So I guess that's it. You already know that how Tom Scott can actually achieve this title. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.